Students, how are you? After your unit first, again back to online classes, and we are having chapter 6 physical activity and leadership training. This is the chapter 6. Before that, I had complete chapter 5 till your unit test. In this chapter, I had already explained you about qualities, role of a good leader. Introduction to a physical activity and leadership. There is a interrelationship between leadership and physical activity. Qualities and role of a leader. Now, today we are going to discuss about behavior change stages for physical activity. In that, I will talk to you regarding the various stages of behavior changes and how it helps in need of physical education and what is the role of behavior change in physical education. This is a topic 6.3, and before that we had gone through a wonderful heading about qualities of a good leader, and I had already explained you about leadership. There are various points regarding leadership. Few of them I am going to read from the book, and rest you have to prepare it at your home and go through the book and prepare yourself for unit first. This is very important chapter for unit first. Controlling group behavior is one of the main heading of good leader or a leadership. Planning for the group. Leader as a representative. Leaders are always representative, whether he is a captain of a school team representing a school or a state or a country in a various levels of games, national, international, or representing a country. Now we came to behavior change stages for physical activities. Behavior change in various stages of physical activities. And what are behavior change? First, we have to understand what is behavior change. While playing, while doing various types of physical activities, we also get benefits from them. Why involving in a physical activities such as good physical health. If we are playing game or doing exercise, what it gives to us? It gives to us a good health, and we are utilizing our time is in one of the best ways for ourself, for making our body and our personality best. And here it is written, and what are the benefits? Psychological wellness, enhance mood, we look always fresh and we are able to take decision, sense of accomplishment and fit body. But a majority of people feel it difficult to initiate or adhere to physical activity program. Why they are feeling difficulty? Because they are unable to take part in any kind of physical activities, just like taking part in school games or extracurricular activities related to games. We are having so many games in our school. Inter-house volleyball we are having, athletics we are having, but nowadays for a couple of months school are closed, so we are involved in different kind of physical activities, and there is an awareness of physical activity. One of the best example is nowadays we had observed that people are using bicycles. More and more bicycles we can see on road. Riding is bicycle, it's itself a complete physical activity. And those who are not involving themselves in a physical activities, as a matter of fact, most children and young person remain away from physical activity, which is one of the leading cause of non-communicable disease. You know what are communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease are those diseases that are spread by a human by sneezing, by coughing, and by touching some things. We can spread any kind of disease. Nowadays we are wearing a mask. For a certain purpose we are wearing a mask. When we sneeze, our bacteria come out from our mouth and spread in our air, and one can be infected if he is not careful for his health. And non-communicable disease are those diseases which are not spread by the person or any infected man. One of the example is coronary heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, depression, and certain types of cancer. What do you know about depression? How a young child get in a situation of depression when he is unable to involve himself in activities like sports and games, where he can share the feeling, we can share his moments, what he is trying to say, and other is trying to understand what he is trying to say. If he is unable to say anything, suddenly sit down quiet, and leads these kinds of situation leads to a hypertension or in a way to depression. So it is very important to involve yourself in a good physical activities. Technique for behavior change. We had come to know about how physical activity is related to our behavior. If we are not related to any physical activity, what can happen to us? Techniques for behavior change. What is behavior? A question arises here, what is behavior? As we are doing many things day by day, every hour, every second we are doing, and each and every behavior says something. Even how you write your answers can say something. And what is behavior change? What is written here? See, there are various behavior change techniques, but the success of these techniques depends on how you use them, how we can use them. And what are those techniques? These are skills, different types of skills. God has given a talent in a form of skills. Some they can speak well, some they can lead a team well, some they can write a good poem, story, writing book. These are all about skills. Timing is one of the important skills. Time and repetition are all important. What we are doing, how we are using them. We are using well? No. In physical education, only 2 and 3 questions are given. Most of them you are unable to submit your question. That is the behavior you are showing, that how careless we are, that we are unable to do our work. This is a behavior. Some behavior change techniques are self monitoring. How we can monitor ourselves. Know what your actual level of physical activity is before you can appreciate what need to be changed. We are talking about physical education. We can self monitor in different ways also, but as I am teaching you about physical education, all the examples I will give related to physical education also. What I am doing previously in physical education and what is the need, how I can change and what will be the change is come under self monitoring. Many of us have triggers that influence our behavior. Usually these triggers can be identified, strategies be established to help deal with them. We make different strategies. In a common word, planning. We make planning. This year I will read for exams. This I will do work. These all are under planning. In this we can monitor ourselves. Goal setting. Goal setting is very important. While most of us are familiar with the concept of setting goals, but many of us didn't realize that successful goal setting depends on choosing the right goals. Sometimes, as a student, we set very difficult goal for us. After a couple of months, we are unable to follow our goals. So we have to choose a proper and a right goal for us that we can achieve. Achievement is also very important. Setting a goal, then we can achieve. How we can achieve? If you are unable to achieve, there is no use of setting a goal. Correct feedback. Correct feedback. For correct feedback, you should understand the following aspects of helpful feedback. Helpful feedback must contain useful information, and information from where you will get your information, from your elders, from your mother and father, from your teachers, from your school, and from the book. All these you can find in a book. If you are unable to speak in English, read from the book, try to speak. You will see, you will find a change there. Participants should receive clear and frequent message that they are moving in right direction. If they are not, feedback means this also, that we are moving in a right direction. What we know, we are moving in a right direction for completing our goal. Boosting performance. Positive reinforcement can help change behavior, but change will not be last if you don't have environment that support fitness along with internal or intrinsic motivation to make fitness a lifelong lifestyle. Motivation. boosting ourselves. Different examples we can take, different better ways we can take to boost and motivate ourselves. So these are the 4 points. Behavior change stages for physical activities. Behavior stages for physical activities. Here we have 5 stages. In that 5 stages, we have 5 steps. First is pre-contemplation. This is the first stage of behavior change. Here, individual also not recognize the need to modify their habits. How we can modify their habits or bring about a change in themselves. If we are not following a good habit, how we can modify it? It is very important to follow and modify your habits. This stage is known as denial stage. We deny many things. We do not want to try. We do not want to do anything. As individual in this stage deny having a issue in their existing lifestyle. He thinks everything is right. Everything is okay, he thinks, but he does not recognize that there is a need to change. Second is contemplation. During this stage, individual weight the cost, effort, time and effectiveness of modifying their lifestyle. What lifestyle means? Every day what we are doing, whether we are active in physical activities or not. Weight the cost, effort, time and effectiveness. What is the result? We had done this, whether we got a result or not. In a proper time I am getting this result or not, or it will take a many years to do that. Suppose losing a weight, it needs a certain time and a proper exercise. If individual think I will start today and last for many years, that is not a proper way and that is not an effective way to lose a weight. Planning. In this stage, people decide to get rid of their negativity, unhealthy habits. They even set deadlines for themselves. I had given you example of losing a weight. So you have to be planned for that. Planning should be made and there should be a deadline that in that time I will achieve my goal. Active. In this stage, positive change in lifestyle of individual can be seen in a form of eating healthier or exercising. The only risk in this stage is that the change of real lapse. Sometimes we are inactive, but activeness always gives a positive lifestyle. Maintenance. This is the final stage of behavior change where a successful and sustained lifestyle modification has taken place. Now you are modified. You have done well in maintaining your weight. Now you can maintain. How you will maintain? It is important. How long you can maintain your modified lifestyle. What you had, bad things you had leave that and you had gained the best thing from physical activities. If an individual is practicing healthy eating habits and a fitness regime, then he or she is in the maintenance race. By taking good proper nutritious food or in a time, you can maintain your proper weight. This is behavior stages for physical activity. How you can maintain yourself?